My dear students, today I am going to discuss about a very important topic of chemical bond. I will explain this very clearly that the students who are watching this can understand the concept of chemical bond in any way, and I will force by my teachings that can you understand very clearly, and I will not leave till you understand the chemical bond. So then just I go to start this chemical bond. My dear students, first of all, chemical bond. Chemical bond. This is a very important topic, and I'm going to just discuss it very easily that any students can understand very easily. So then, without losing the time, I'm going to tell about the chemical bond. My dear students, chemical bond is a kind of a force which hold ions, atoms together to form ionic compounds or covalent molecules. My dear students, all of you know generally atoms are not stable. For being stable, they joins and form compounds, molecules. Understand? So, according to me, atoms becomes stable in three ways. That is, I'm going to write on the board. Understand it very clearly. First, by losing of electrons. Second, by sharing of electrons. By sharing of electrons. And third, by special sharing. Third, by special sharing. Sharing. Third है by special sharing. By losing of electrons, by sharing of electrons, by special sharing of electrons. These three phenomena are done by the atoms to get stable electronic configuration. You know the stable electronic configuration. Atom should have 8 electrons in the outermost shell generally, and exceptionally 2 electrons in outermost shell. If they have 8 electrons in the outermost shell, atoms are stable by completing octet rules. If atoms have 2 electrons and becomes stable, this is the condition of duplet law. My dear students, in this sequence I am going to explain first by losing of electrons. Here there is condition that one atom should have excess electron and another atom should have less electrons from its stable configuration. The atom which have excess electron lose its excess electron, and the atom which have less electron get the loose electron of other first atom. So now I am going to discuss by taking an example of sodium chloride. Understand? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Here sodium chloride is a ionic compounds. Understand? The formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. NaCl. To explain the formation of NaCl, first I will write the electronic configuration of both the atom Na and Cl. Na is a metallic element and Cl is a non-metallic element. Metallic element always have tendency to lose electron, and a non-metallic element, that is a chlorine, always has tendency to accept electrons. In this way, both the atoms here, sodium and chlorine, just becomes stable, having on them positive or negative charge. Here sodium Na, its atomic number is 11. Its electronic configuration is 281. And another atom is chlorine, non-metal. It has atomic number 17. Understand? Its electronic configuration is 287. Understand? Sodium has 3 cells. In first cell there is 2 electron. This is the first cell. This is the second cell. In second cell sodium has 8 electron, and this is the third cell. In this sodium has 1 electron. And in chlorine, sodium has 2 electron in first cell, 8 electron second cell, and third cell 7 electron. It means sodium is not stable because it has 1 extra electron to be stable, and chlorine has 7 electron, that is less electron to be stable. In this process, sodium will lose 1 electron, and just it will become, sodium positive ion. Here I am going to write sodium will lose 1 electron. Understand? 1 electron. It becomes, sodium if lose 1 electron, it becomes positive ion. Its number of electron will be 10, and electronic configuration 2,8. My dear students, all of you have seen, by losing 1 electron, sodium become Na positive ion. Sodium positive ions, and its electronic configuration becomes 2, and first cell 2, second cell 8 electron. First cell 2 or second cell 8 electron. Just sodium get stable electronic configuration, and chlorine by getting 1 electron, it becomes negative charged ion. Understand? Then sodium chlorine just is written as a chloride, and it chloride has 18 electrons. Its electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 8. On being chloride ion, it means on being negative ion, the electronic configuration of the chloride ion, a chloride ion just becomes, in first cell have 2 electron, second cell have 8 electron and third cell have 8 electron. My dear students, sodium generally as an atom lose 1 electrons becomes sodium Na plus. It means sodium positive ions, and by losing 1 electrons it have only by losing 1 electron from outermost cell it has total electron 10 except 11. Earlier sodium was having 11 electron. When it lose 1 electron, this electron of outermost cell, now sodium positive ions have 10 electron. And chlorine atom, in first, at the first it has 17 electron and it takes 1 electron from the sodium. Now it becomes chloride ion. Here it is written Cl minus, and now it have 18 electron except 17 electron. Then on having 18 electrons, the of chloride ions, its electronic configuration becomes in first cell 2, in second cell 8 and in third cell 8. Now it get the condition of stability of having octet rules. And sodium, by losing 1 electrons, it gets the stable condition of having 2, 8. It means it also follow the octet rules. Now these two ions, yani sodium ion and chloride ion, come together, come close, and between the two ions opposite charged get attracted by N force, that is a electrostatic force. This electrostatic force just try to join sodium ion and chloride ions to form a sodium chloride molecules. Now you are going to see sodium ion Na plus and chloride ion Cl minus, and this sodium ion and chloride ion. Understand? This is positive ion, this is a negative ion. You already have studied in the physics. If two charges are at very close distance, they experience some forces, some electrostatic forces. If the nature of both the charge is opposite, they will experience attractive force, and if the nature of the charge is similar, they will experience repulsive force. So here the nature of charge is opposite. Sodium have positive and chlorine have negative. In this way, sodium and chloride ion just experience a force of attraction, and this force of attraction, sodium ion and chlorine ions just get combined by this force, and now it will just combine electrostatic force, this force just develop between them, or this electrostatic force is responsible to combine sodium ion and chloride ion together and form ionic compounds, sodium chloride, Na and Cl. Here is a N kind of force. Understand? So in this way, my dear students, all of you have understood it very well, that by losing the electrons, atoms how get combines, and when they combines, they form ionic compounds. are electrovalent compounds. Understand? So sodium, I'm going to refresh again. In the formation of sodium chloride, sodium initially have 11 electron. In the electronic configuration, first cell has 2 electron, second cell has 8 electron, third cell has 1 electron, and chlorine atom it initially have 17 electron, which is written here. In first cell 2 electron, in second cell 8 electron, in third cell 7 electron. It means it has 1 electron excess than stable condition, and chlorine has 7 electron in the outermost cell and 1 electron less than stable condition. If it gets 1 electron, here 7 changes into 8, and this will just get the stable electronic configuration. Now on losing sodium 1 electron, it becomes sodium ion. Sodium ion, it means sodium positive ion. Now it have 10 electron, and chlorine on accepting electron, it just becomes chloride ions and have 18 electron, and the configuration of the chloride ion 2 in first cell, 8 in second cell, third cell 8 electron. It also get the stable condition, and sodium ion also get the stable condition. And in getting the stable condition, both the neutral atoms sodium and chloride, now you are seeing sodium and chlorine, just becomes changes into ions, sodium ion and chloride ion. And this sodium ion chloride ion have charges on its of opposite nature, hence they experience a kind of attraction force. Sodium ion and chloride ion just experience a attractive force. In this attractive force, sodium ion and chloride ion just attract with each other to very closer and converted into sodium chloride. And this sodium chloride is a compound, and if this compound is made up of by losing electron and gaining electron, or we can say by formation of ion, so it is very frankly it is known as a ionic compound, because this compound is made up of by formation of ion, hence it is known as a ionic compound. And in another way, it is sodium chloride is made up of by losing and gaining of electron, so it is also termed as called as a electrovalent compounds. My dear students, today I am going to just finish this topic. If any problem come in the understanding of you will comment down in the comment sections. Very friendly, very frankly, I will solve your problems. So will be very good students. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and God help you.